Hey guys, Carissa here, and I am back, and you guessed it. If you have scrolled down this email, skimming through it, video number 2 is all about chamber benefits. Now, myself, Offutt Collision, we enjoy a couple of the benefits. Your business might like some of the other benefits that the chamber offers, but I like to focus on 2 different benefits, right? Networking, huge buzzword. Still crazy that some people don't go out and network. I don't know why they don't. It's probably because they're scared. They don't understand what that means. It's time and investment. Well, when you think of networking, I want you to think of a couple of things, right? Why should I get out and network and let my employees go to some of these fun events? Because guys, it builds relationships. And at the end of the day, I want to do business with people I know, trust, and like. That they're also going to take care of me. Offutt Collision Repair doesn't do business unless you're a chamber member. That's right. I love and support my chamber members. I love you guys all. So the second major thing that we use our membership for is sponsorship and marketing opportunities. They're endless. And yes, if you have a budget this big, then you can start putting your image of your business everywhere. But everyone starts this big, and that's okay. The chamber has so many different sponsorship levels, whether it's just a luncheon or the young professionals group that you want to sponsor, or big title sponsors that want to be able to put their brand everywhere. You guys, you don't have to know a ton about marketing, but you do have to understand that companies build the reputation in the community. It's marketing and sponsorships is what really builds the brand awareness, right? When we see logos and we hear taglines and we are constantly seeing the same people out in the community trying to grow their business, it starts to click in our brains. So at the end of the day, Offutt Collision, we love networking, helping businesses grow, and sponsorship opportunities. So for any of you who are wondering what is attached, I'm going to show you, because if my 2 videos so far haven't gotten you to open my attachment, it's all about a membership form, okay? So obviously the Sarpy Chamber is doing a big membership blitz. This piece of paper is all you have to do to fill out to become the next Sarpy Chamber membership. And I've even put my team name and myself as the volunteer on your form, so you don't even have to do any other work. The next thing, print it, fill it out, send it back to me. That's right, I'm gonna do all of the back end work so that it makes sure that you can get your business going and your chamber membership rolling. So that's it for now. If you're still not understanding why you should join the chamber now versus later, watch video number 3.